Yes, ma'am. In anatomy of frog, we have to learn the various systems like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, and finally reproductive system. Remember, reproductive system is very, very important. Very often we get question from male reproductive system and female reproductive system for sure. Now, let us take one by one. If I take the digestive system consists of a alimentary canal and various digestive glands. So now, alimentary canal means it starts from mouth, it opens in mouth and ends at the cleoca. Here there is no anus in the case of frog. Remember the word cleoca, which is a common opening for fecal waste, urinary waste, and reproductive system. So the digestive system starts from mouth and enters into buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus. It will be very short. For a carnivorous animal, esophagus will be very, very short. Then it enters into stomach, intestine, rectum, and opens out through cloaca. And cloaca is a very important word. Now, liver, that is the digestive glands. Liver secretes bile, stores in gallbladder, and function of bile general same like that of human, which is emulsifying large fat molecules into smaller fat molecule. Remember the term emulsification. Then pancreas produces pancreatic juice, which contain various digesting enzymes. Then, especially regarding the tongue, food is captured by bilobed tongue. In the case of frog, we can say the tongue will have two parts, bilobed tongue. Then, if we go into the physiology, for digestion, there is a metal called gastric juice from stomach along with HCl and secreted from the gastric wall and that will be digesting the food material. Then partially digested food, this is also an important term called chyme, is passed from stomach to the duodenum, nothing but small intestine. Then duodenum receives bile that is from liver and pancreatic juice from pancreas through a common bile duct. As I already mentioned, bile will emulsify the fat, emulsification of fat. Then pancreatic juice will digest carbohydrate, protein, even the lipid. So digestion get completes at the intestine, small intestine particularly. Then finger-like structures called villi and microvilli can absorb the digested food to blood. Then blood will be supplying all the nutrient to various parts of the body. And the undigested solid waste moves into rectum, passes out through cloaca. As I already told, the solid waste, fecal material, can go out through cloaca. So remember, points to remember here is the pathway of food transport, the bilobed tongue, kind, function of the bile. Important. Then next part, next system. So if we take respiratory system, in the case of frog, adult frog, we can say the first line, skin acts as an skin acts at aquatic respiratory organ. Skin acts as an aquatic respiratory organ. We can say cutaneous respiration. Dissolved oxygen is being exchanged through skin. Whereas when the animal is at land, it can respire via buccal cavity, moist skin, and lung. Lung-based respiration is called as the pulmonary respiration. Remember three terms from the lesson Animal Kingdom. If any animal respire via gill, we can call it as branchial respiration, branchial or branchial. Then skin-based respiration, the term technical term is cutaneous. And lung-based respiration. The technical term is pulmonary, pulmonary respiration. So when the frog is at land, it can able to respire via buccal cavity, skin, and lung, which acts as a respiratory organ. The lungs are paired, elongated, pink-colored, sac-like structure present at the thorax region. Air can enter through the nostril into the buccal cavity and then into the lung. Remember the pathway. So as a pathway, question might come. So points to remember in respiratory system, remember when the animal is in water, skin acts as the respiratory organ. On land, buccal cavity, skin and lung. What is the color of lung? In the case of larva, tadpole larva, gills are the respiratory organ. This is also important. Now, pass on next system, that is circulatory system. Circulatory system is a closed type of circulatory system, same like human only. Blood is always running inside the blood vessels, so closed type. The circulatory system includes heart, blood vessel, blood. Apart from blood vascular system, even there is a system called a lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is open, which has lymph channels, and lymph node. 3 points are there. Remember, very important. In odd one out, such questions can come. Then, heart is a three-chambered organ, two atrias or auricle, and only one ventricle. Because of only one ventricle, we can say this animal has incomplete double circulation. Then, a triangular structure called sinus venosus joins the right atrium. This is very important point. It receives blood through major veins, nothing but vena cava. The ventricles opens into a sac-like conus arteriosus on the ventral side of the heart. This is also important. Which side? Question might come. Then, blood pumped from the muscular heart is carried to all parts of the body by arteries. Nothing but arterial system. Systemic circulation. We can say this as a systemic circulation. Most of the words, most of the system is common like human only. So the exceptional content, a different kind of content only we have to remember very carefully. Other question we can even answer from human system itself. The vein collect the blood from different part of the body back to heart through a venous system. This is also coming under systemic circulation. Then hepatic portal system. This is very important again. Already we saw a question here. The venous connection between liver and intestine is a venous connection. Remember, not atrial, it is venous connection. Then renal portal system, renal portal system between kidney and lower part of the body. Kidney and lower part of the body are found in frogs. Then blood contain plasma and form the elements same like human only, but the difference is among the cells RBC, WBC, and platelets. See the word RBCs are nucleated. In the case of human, these are RBCs are non-nucleated. Mature RBCs are non-nucleated in human. Even seal tube in plants are non-nucleated. But in amphibian, RBCs are nucleated, which contain hemoglobin. Blood transports nutrients, gases, and water to various tissues and back to respective organ also. So points to remember: renal portal system, hepatic portal system, RBCs are nucleated, sinus arteriosus, These are the important system. Heart is three-chambered, incomplete double circulation. Very important points.